Good morning. I would like to answer the question first. A doubt of one of my subscriber. What is alimony? See, there is difference between alimony and maintenance. Alimony is a lump sum being paid arising out of matrimonial causes. Maintenance something what different from alimony. Maintenance is being paid per month or particular period. So to that aspect, alimony, the word available under Hindu Marriage Act, Christian Marriages Act, and other marriage disputes, alimony is being worked out on the basis of the income, assets, etc. Maintenance is being worked out only for the contingency. Even if the husband do not have any means to pay maintenance, he must pay, rob, steal, but you must pay maintenance. That is the aspect. The other one, I would like to draw all of your attention that whenever you go to some hotels, you may like to have the dishes which normally you like, but surprisingly one of your company may demand something new like grilled chicken or pizza, burger, kebab, etc. You may not like it, but however to you company you may like to have taste of that dish for first time, or though you may not like that, or you may not have an experience whether to like it or not. That's why today I am going to present a judgment, and don't avoid the judgment that it is probably it is not within your competency or within your taste or within your practice, but you must have it. Sometimes it may help you. Whenever if some clients approaches, you may try to at least to give some consultation and accept that brief and hand it over to one of your colleague, like soliciting. That was a soliciting. Solicitors normally used to say, if you read the advocates history, which was prevailing before Advocates Act, particularly at Bombay, Calcutta. So this judgment, AIR 2020 629, Rajesh Kajuria versus Workhard Limited and another. Here in the case, employee was transferred initially and subsequently terminated. Therefore, there was an act, Maharashtra Recognition of Trade Unions and Prevention of Unfair Labor Practices Act, that is being in force in Maharashtra. There were several challenges before the tribunal, that is industrial tribunal. Then that industrial court, then what was the labor court? Whether the jurisdiction of the labor court is applicable or industrial court is applicable, that was the dispute. But if you go through the judgment, you can understand so many features of labor process, how the cases are being worked, the schedule of the act, and the provisions where the labor court should be approached or industrial court should be approached. Therefore, kindly go through the entirety of the judgment. State of Punjab versus Kemiram case was decided, wherein what is service? Service of notice has been enshrined. They say it must be held to have been communicated to him, no matter when he actually receive it. That is what is their service, communicate. Then dictionary meaning of communicate lot of things Oxford dictionaries were decided. It will help you in some of other cases like negotiable instrument act. Finally, they say industrial tribunal have no jurisdiction and only labor court is having jurisdiction. That apart, without receiving the order or copy, you cannot impute a biased or challenge for fake and etc. That was one of the findings. Other finding was there deep definition discussion was there about what was malice in law and malice in fact. If you do not have any statutory power or jurisdiction to pass that particular order, only with intent to malice, that definition of malice was also discussed. That malice would be malice in law, and malice in fact means personal grievances, passing the deliberate order to disengage your services, all those things. Kindly go through this judgment. And finally, I would like to say that when five police, five army personnel and one of the state police died during the encounter, that morning and hue and cry was going on, and this army man on the instruction of who you all know are shattering flowers, showering flower all over India to pay respect to the coward warriors. And no doubt I accept that your enthusiastic approach, but what you claim was that you are showering flower on them, but except in Bangalore, that flower did not reach there. After respecting too much the poor assembled warriors, they are commanded to assemble. There was no voluntary assemble, but nothing well and done. A small gift was given to the thousands of people. I do not know what it contains or not. However, okay, it is better because somehow some flower merchants are benefited. Best wishes.